Hi everyone, so I thought I would do a quick video on ways that I use transfer foils. So I'm just going to get straight into it. I've got a few different ways. I'm going to do the, like a full nail first. So the first trick, tip, hint, clue, no. Whatever foil I'm using to do a full nail, I put a base colour down that's close to. I haven't got anything that's like close to like this ivory colour, but white will do. White will do. So 2 coats of the base colour that's close to the backing colour on the foil. Now cut a piece of the foil off rather than having this whole mass of foil. Just a nice square. And then my trustworthy McCart nail art foil glue. This works every single time. So I do 1 coat of this, just as you would with a base or a top. Nice normal coat of that. And then it does say on the back, cure. Oh no, it doesn't say on the back. I was going to say, it does say to cure for 60 seconds, but it doesn't. I cure it for 2 minutes and then I let it cool down for a good minute before I do anything. So I'm going to go and do that. Okay, so it's had its 2 minutes and I've let it cool down for a minute. Depending on how well the foil application is going, I use a few different ways to apply it. So once that is on the nail, say I'm putting it on my nail, sometimes I will get a lint-free wipe, hold it down, give it a good rub. Sometimes I will use a silicone tool. This is really good though for getting in like around your side walls and the cuticle area. But yeah, sometimes nail, just get your nail in there. It does work so well. So yeah, there are a few of the ways that I do it. So choose which way you think it goes round. I think it can go a few different ways. Who cares? Who cares? So pop it on. Do the middle bit first. I'm going to use the silicone tool. Go down the middle first. And you will find that obviously because a nail is round, you'll start getting a few creases. So start slowly by pushing out as you go. It's always harder when I'm doing it on a tip because it just wants to come away from the little stand. Push out those creases as best as you can, but that's why we put that base colour down first, so that if there are any creases that haven't picked up, you've got that colour. See, look, there's a big crease. Hopefully we can buff that out there. We can give it a good rub. There's a big crease. Right, I'm going to get my nail. Trust me now. And then I'm going to switch to that lint-free wipe and give it a good rub. Right, sorry, visitors. So eventually it will start peeling up, you see. And with these creases here, we could, once we see that there's a crease, we can pop it back down flat, give it a little rub. See if it lifts up. Very pretty, isn't it? So you can give that a top coat now, do what you want to that, and that is the full nail of foil. So the next one is I want to do like cutting out patterns, because you can do that as well. So I have this lovely one with lots of holographic patterns on. They're so cute, I love them. So I'm going to go with this one here. I'm going to cut it out. So once you've cut out the pattern, the thing with these kind of ones, I've got my fingerprints all over them, you have to see which one is the shinier side. So that is the shinier side. The dull side goes onto the nail. So measure, not measure, figure out where you want to put it. Might need tweezers for this, so figure out where you want to put it. The best location. And you can use your tweezers as well. White. Let's see if that has transferred. Put that back on stand, and we can peel this away. Oh, that holographic is so cute. And we're left with that. And then you can top coat that as well. And then the next one I love to do, which is the easiest one, it's just patting it on. So I just take it and pull it away. Get another piece. And you have something like that. I probably should have used a different colour other than black, or maybe silver foil. But yeah, I find that it's just amazing. I love doing that one. Just pat it on. So I'm going to top coat those three, and then we'll move on to the last three. Okay, so and then another way you can do it is you can do a French smile. So choose your pattern. I'm going to go with this lovely flowery one. You get your foil glue gel and draw your smile line. Haven't had lunch yet, so it might not go so well with just using the brush. Draw your smile line on. You can always outline it with coloured gel after. That is not a good smile line. Very thick. Try and neaten it up, but I'm just making it bloody worse. So I'm going to get some acetone and clean that up. Just got some acetone on a brush. Just going to clean up this smile line. Okay, that'll do just for video purposes. So I'm going to give that a 2-minute cure, let it cool down for 60 seconds, and then we can put the transfer foil on. So that's had its 2 minutes and a minute to cool down. Can't remember the word. So I'm going to place this on the nail and just start gluing again. Now sometimes the where you haven't put the foil gel glue will pick up some of the transfer if it's a sticky base layer or a sticky inhibition layer off your colour, but you can just use a little bit of acetone just to get rid of that. But I recommend, before you apply the foil gel glue, to either wipe over the nail with isopropyl alcohol to remove that sticky inhibition layer, or either top coat or matte top coat, so you haven't got that sticky layer before you apply the foil gel glue before curing. A little bit there. See, it has a little tiny bit, I don't know if you can see, just a little white flecks, just a little tiny bit. So I will get the acetone and I'll just rub that away. So that's that one, the French Smile line. I've just used that black, taken the black from the centre of the flowers and created a little outline, just to neaten up the edge, because obviously because I just used straight from the brush, and because foil is a bit creasy and wrinkly sometimes, it just neatens up the edge. And then give it a top coat and that can join the other ones. Okay, so for the next one, I've drawn a quick heart on one of them. I'm going to get a bit of that transfer foil gel glue, pop it on my palette. If you know, you know. I'm going to take a small liner, just going to use the glue gel to outline this heart. And I haven't eaten anything all day. It's gone past lunch, I've had 2 coffees. I'm very shaky. But this just gives you the gist of ideas, a few ideas. You take more time on yours. Make sure you eat some food as well. So I'm going to give that a cure for 2 minutes again. Let it cool down. And then we'll apply the foil. Okay, that's had its cure and it has cooled down. I'm going to get some goldy gold foil, cut a little bit off and plonk it on. And with this one you can do the pat. Again, you don't have to sit there rubbing it. You can just pat it on, give it a quick rub, pull it off, keep patting where you've done your outline. Pull it away, pat, pat. Oop, drop, drop. And there we have it. That's got all of it. Nice. So I'll take away those little bits that I've got on the proper nail and give it a top coat. Like I said, it is really rough. Take your time, make sure you've eaten some food and not drank one too many coffees. So for the last one, you can draw your own pattern on a nail and create something unique really. So I've wiped over with isopropyl alcohol so it's not sticky anymore. And I'll load up my brush and I think I'm just going to do some lines that was a bit thick and some leaves. And then maybe I'll put a swirl somewhere. Maybe we'll have like a swirly bit here. And some dots maybe. Just to show you what sort of things you can actually do with the foil. And I think I'm just going to leave it at that, to be honest. Give it a cure and we'll put the foil on. Okay, that's had its 2-minute cure and it's cooled down. I'm just going to take the same bit of foil that I used for that heart and I'm just going to do the same thing. Just pat it on. Any bits that you've missed, use a clean piece of foil that hasn't been used. And that is that. All done. So simple. So simple. Give it a top coat, give it a cure, and we are done. A little bit there. Yeah, done. So he's all done as well, been top coated. Come and join the others. Oh no, they're all joined together. Behave, boys. So, first one. Full foil over the nail. Then we did a cut out pattern. Then we did a pat it. Little pat, my favourite method. A French smile. Outline in a shape or a design, and then just drawing your own pattern with the gel glue and then patting that foil onto that. So there we go, 6 different ways. There is probably loads more. If you know of any more, let me know, because I love learning new ways, as you know. So yeah, shall I show you how I store them as well? I saw this off Miss Jo's Nails, who is amazing, by the way, absolutely amazing. I just got a folder, let me move these out of the way. Over there you go. Cheap folder. And then you know those card collectible sleeves, collecting your cards, football cards, Pokemon cards, just sleeves of them. So you can store all your foils, little pockets, individual pockets. Yeah, fantastic, loved it. So thanks for the idea, Miss Jo. Amazing, love it. Oh, yes. So there we have all the different ways. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on Wednesday for a full nail tutorial. Bye bye.